Hi everyone, hi my Aiders. I'm Julianne, the face of Just8Ate.com, and today we're going to be making Filipino style noodles called Pansit Behon Guisado. And we're going to be using the Mama Sita's Home Style Filipino recipes packet that you could purchase at any grocery store in the Asian section and or Amazon.com. Alright, let's go ahead and hit the kitchen.
Yeah.
Let's say I put 3 tablespoons of oil here. Go ahead and sweat and saute your garlic and onions. And now we're ready for your protein, and we chose chicken for this recipe. Go ahead and add any protein of your choice. It's your recipe as well. And we're gonna be using Mamacita, Pansit Behon.
Like, hey!
Everybody loves Uncle Louie, always.
You want to do it? Hi, baby. Just do it.
Just do it. You need a fork?
Yes. Or a whisk.
Are you having fun in your kitchen? Hopefully you are.
Whisk is fancy. Okay, fancy. Fancy.
Make sure to stir your sauce very well, and then make sure to saute your chicken and onions and garlic very well to the point where it's almost well done and finished. Then you go ahead and pour in your sauce. Let it boil.
Bring to boil.
Are you having fun in the kitchen? I know we are.
You have all your cabbage and things already prepared.
Oh, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Bring the sauce to a boil, and it takes about 5 to 8 minutes. And now we're going to go ahead and put in our chopped carrots and cabbage into the sauce. Go ahead and add other vegetables as you wish.
Okay, and then rice noodles. You're gonna need to add like a cup of water into it. For sure.
Ready?
Yes. Oh my god.
We got the small bag too.
That's a small bag? Oh. I was like, that's not a small bag. Alright. And then just like that. But then you're supposed to okay, let's add water.
1 cup of water. Let's turn off my cochinita.
Forgot about it.
I know, you too.
I think we need another
Cup. 2 cups of water. And then cover it.
Oh, and then you cover it? Oh, okay. I was gonna say, I was like, how is this gonna cook?
Cover, yeah.
Thank you.
Girl!
Ooh. Ow.
And so that's how you make Filipino style noodles called Pansit Behon Guisado. And at the same time, I'm giving you a sneak peek of my barbecue marinade chicken. And at the same time, how I made cochinta is a video coming soon. Because cochinta, which is a Filipino dessert, is one of my favorite sweet things. So I'm going to be doing a shout out next from my last uploaded video. Stay tuned.
Did you know that we did a cookbook? Check out our link in the description box below. And remember, friends,
expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's keep chasing the flavor, my 8ers.
See you in the next video.